Guys, welcome to this tutorial on creating and importing GIS data. So in this video we will walk you through how to create your own vector layers, drawing points, lines, polygons in QGIS. So we will also show you how to import external data like shape files and briefly cover data projection and coordinate system. So let's start by creating a vector layer in QGIS. You can create custom points, lines and polygons directly on your map. So to create a new layer, find the raster in the menu bar, click on it, go to miscellaneous, find the layer, then hover the pointer on create layer. So now we need to create a new shape layer file. So click on it, it will pop up the window. Set the path where you to save the shape file. So I am naming the shape file is a um, point layer, point underscore layer dot shp. The shape file extension is dot shp. So my location is downloads. Click on save. File encoding, leave it as it is. Geometry type, click on point. Leave this geographical system as it is. Click on OK. Now the point layer is created. So now we have an empty point layer. So to start drawing points, click on the toggle editing. Click on it. Editing is enabled. Now click on the add point features. So here is the add point feature. Click on it. Now click on everywhere on the map area like this. If you want to set a unique ID, so write it 1. Okay, this one is 2, 3. So this point is could be anything. It's a village, it's a city, it's a state. It could be anything. Maybe it's a park, it's a shop. So these are the points. Okay. So for better understanding, I will put a point on a map. So I have Sentinel-2 raster images, which is a 10 meter. So click on it. So, oh, sorry. This is the Sentinel-2 imagery. We will also discuss the Sentinel-2 imagery and how to download Sentinel-2 imagery. So this is the true color, false color, which is the combination of red, green, blue, IR and NIR. So these are the fields. Okay, for example, where I put the point, maybe we consider it as a orchard. Okay, so click on it. We consider this one as orchard. One, enter. This one is orchard. Two, three, four, five, and so on. But for now it's more than enough, so click on the toggle button, click save. Now we need to change the color of points, so go to symbology. This is the marker, click on here. So we should select which color is best. I think red is better. Okay, so click on OK. So now it's a little bit fine and look visible. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. So there are 5 points. These are the orchard. We consider it as orchard. Okay, so this is the points. Then again click on toggle editing. Click on this. Vortex tool. Okay, so we didn't draw a line here because it's a point layer file. So click on it. Okay, so now importing shapefile and external data sources. If you want to, okay, wait. So I will remove this point layer and again import. Well, remove layer. Yes. Okay. Now let's see how to import existing GIS data. So one of the most common format for vector data is the shapefile. To import a shapefile, so go to layer, click on the add layer. What kind of layer you want to add? Is this a vector layer or a raster layer? So I want to add a vector layer. So click on here, open a pop-up menu and find the shape file which you want to import. So my shape file is a point layer. Click on open. Simple click on add button. Now the shape file is added. Look at these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now before we move forward, let's briefly talk about data projection and coordinate system. When working with GIS data, it is important to ensure that all layers share the same coordinate reference system. We call it CRS. This helps to align data properly on the map. So if you want to export the layer, click on the export to save feature as. There are different formats: geo package, easy shapefile, AutoGet, flat geo above, geo concept. So for now we need a easy shapefile. Click on it. Uh, point layer export.shp. Click on save. WGS84. Click on OK. Now the layer is export. So I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more QGIS tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.